It's about understanding the true intent of your customers. I always like to use the example of how many people always say, well, you've got 3 products in your basket, therefore that customer must be about to purchase, right? Because they're at the basket and that's very, very close to pushing that checkout button. Actually, a lot of those customers that have got products in their basket are effectively either comparing, shortlisting, or just, they've got to a stage where actually they're just paused on their journey. So it's almost as powerful, therefore, to understand that that's the stage they're at, and therefore, actually, what do we need to show that customer to get them over the line? So some of those customers, yes, will be ready to purchase. So give them a little extra nudge from a promotional perspective. But equally, some of those customers will be, undecided. So therefore, how do we then educate that customer so that they can find out whether actually that product they've got is the right product? And I think intent is really the key word here. It's like, how do we truly understand the intent of a customer at that moment? And then how do we then tailor and personalize the journey to make it more appropriate as we kind of go forward?